What's up, y'all? It is Wednesday, July 17th, and it is time to kick it in. It's 11:42. Every other Wednesday, I have to start later. I have someone who comes in and cleans my house, and I let them have their way with my room and my area while they're here, so I step out of their way. Took care of a few things this morning. I'm also doing some intermittent fasting, which means I don't eat for another hour and 18 minutes. Yes. What?
Hold up.
Are you trying to fart?
No! I love you.
I love you too.
Love you, Bob.
I love you.
You better put that in your video. I love my mama.
You too, Bubba.
I'm a big fat monkey.
Alright. Give me a high five. Ow. Alright. Peace on out of here. Well, school will be back in session soon. Don't know where I left off. I think it was that I'm intermittent fasting because all I can think about right now is eating. Because, you know, those girls know a little stick figure. Although I want to be healthy so that I can continue my journey for as long as possible. So I eat in an hour and 15 minutes, 14 minutes. I'm not going to miss it whenever it's time to come. So we're just going to see what's going on here. And if I don't have anything that works well, then we'll move it along, right? So let's start off with our daily chart. The daily chart has given us, look at this. These little moves up are getting smaller. Look how big this move up was. And then this one, and then this one, and then this one. So we may see another little one come up in here. But right now, yeah, we might see it push up a little bit more. Let's look here at our 10-946, which I was talking to my dear friend Bob this morning, right about here. And I said, I don't know, maybe it looks like long because I was in a big rush and had a lot going on. And I walked away for a minute and came back and it was shooting down. And I said, that's why I'm not trading right now. Had a lot going on and my mind was not in the right space for it. And I closed my computer out then. Now, this really looks like it's trying to go down here. According to the 1597, give it a shot. Oh, hate when I do that, but it is part of it. Definitely jumped the gun. I hit close. See if it catches me right here. Okay, that's the lowest I can go. It puts me one tick above here. It's a very weak pullback so far. BBs were starting to turn purple again here. Just trying to feel like I'm trying to force something. Yeah. Getting close one more time, and I'm going to let this pull back further. Why did I avoid the long trade and take two shorts? It's because I felt like I missed the short here. I was trying to make it happen from the 233. It's a good lesson to learn. go. Oh my lord, the patience for this took a lot today. It's almost starting to rack up as another little place. If you wanted to try and get into this, you'd have to be quick on the draw and have your risk right behind here. And you could get in right in these areas. Perfect. Now, what I have to make absolute certain of is that I'm not holding on to this just because I lost 2 trades. Here's a potential reversal bar right here. We're going to take that one out. Still reasons for this to go down. I'm going to take this at the 4-point mark. Oh, 375. Starting to see a reversal bar out here. It's still got a lot of reasons to go down. I was starting to make some text messages because I heard my AC making really weird noise. So let's talk about what happened here. Okay. Trying to make it show up on here, but oh well. Good God Almighty. Let me just tell you. I feel like it's Friday. It's only Wednesday. But whew, that was a long wait. And I wasn't just waiting because I didn't see the trade setups. I was waiting because I knew my mind wasn't focused. I was so hungry. And I'd even talked to my friend Bob this morning and told Bob that I wasn't going to trade until after I ate. I waited until after I ate, but then I was so impatient because I felt like I missed a trade that I just jumped in a little early. I took the very weak signals and there were things still telling me to hold on, but I guess I just got tired of holding on. I mean, this video is 2 hours and 11 minutes long. There's a break in between. There's my child walking in, which he's begged me to leave in, so I guess I will. When I finally sat down and focused, it's good to go. When I finally looked at my signal instead of trying to make the signal happen. Whenever we listen to what we've learned and what we've been taught, you know, sometimes what we're taught is not correct. I've been through quite a few day trading companies and I was taught a lot of things that I no longer listen to anymore. The first company I was brought into had 19 indicators and I brought that on as gospel, because that's the way they taught me. And that's probably why they brought me in, not knowing anything about day trading, to come in and be taught. So I go by their rules and nobody else. But that causes a problem. I took that as the absolute and I didn't search out and learn things and try for myself and deviate from the system. Working for, you know, couple of major companies later, you get this thing instilled in your brain that says you have to do something a certain way. There's also the thought process that a lot of these companies had drilled into my brain that if I wasn't taking every trade, then I was losing. And that is absolutely wrong. It's quality over quantity sometimes, my friends. You don't have to be in every trade you see. Some of them may go for miles, and some of them may just go for a little smidgen. But, just pay attention. Take what makes you feel comfortable. Listen to yourself whenever you're not making good decisions. Listen to yourself when you're not feeling well, and step away. Whatever it may be, this intermittent fasting is going to be, I think it's going to be awesome. It's going to be tough at first, but let me just tell you, I'm looking forward to it because I'm looking forward to this mindset and to be able to it's a strictness, it's a responsibility, it's a discipline. So I'm looking forward to that kind of discipline. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday, and I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.